plans to file a lawsuit challenging the new Florida immigration law. Multiple civil rights groups are suing because they believe the law poses a threat to the rights of immigrants and the well-being of every person in the state. Wake News reporter Rodaris Richardson talked with an attorney with the ACLU about the lawsuit.
Florida's new immigration law has been in effect only a few days, and now a handful of pro-immigration organizations are lining up to challenge the measure in court. The E-Verify section gets most of the headlines. That's the provision that demands employers with more than 25 workers make sure they are all legally allowed to work in the U.S. But it's Section 10, the human smuggling provision, that the ACLU plans to challenge first.
It exposes everyday people to very harsh penalties for going about their daily lives, but without making clear what behavior is prohibited and what behavior is not prohibited.
Section 10, in essence, says people who knowingly bring an undocumented person into Florida commit a crime. The ACLU calls the provision too broad and vague.
It is difficult to predict what specific scenarios might occur. That is part of the problem with vagueness. But as I said, we could imagine a variety of scenarios, including individuals visiting family in Florida or obtaining medical care in Florida or returning for seasonal work.
Governor DeSantis' office argues the law is meant to target illegal immigration and protect Floridians from the border crisis. But the ACLU disagrees.
Vagueness creates an opportunity for law enforcement to interpret the law arbitrarily and to abuse its power by targeting people based on race and national origins.
Pro-immigration legal groups say they may challenge other parts of the law at a later date. Rodaris Richardson, Wake News.
Now, the Florida ACLU has not yet filed its challenge. The organization says it will do so in the next few days.